Graduating college isn't just about finishing your academic year. It's also about figuring out what comes next. Whether you just graduated, made a complete career pivot, or are still trying to figure out how adulting works, you've got a seat at our table. And this is Life After LaSalle. So, before we formally begin with the interview, can you first give us your name, course, and your current career?
Hello, my name is Frank Smith ST. My ID number was 120 43958. So I actually graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Pre-Med Physics from De La Salle University last March. I am currently a part-time research assistant at the Condensed Matter Research Unit. I am also pursuing a Doctor of Medicine degree at the University of Santo Tomas, Faculty of Medicine and Surgery.
For our first question, could you share your journey after graduating to get to where you are now?
So yung journey ko, medyo spontaneous and random. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gusto ko gawin. So, actually, kahit nung undergrad, wala rin talaga akong plano kung ano kung gusto kong gawin in the future. So, ayun, I just went with the flow. Tapos, one time, parang nagkayaan yung mga friends ko na mag-take ng NMAT. So, yun, nag-take lang ako. Tapos, yun nga, okay naman. So, continue lang sa application and somehow natanggap naman. So, yun lang. Dire-diretso lang. Baka yun yung gusto ni Lord. Kaya, tinuloy ko na lang.
Next, are there any skills or experiences from your time in DLSU that have proven useful in your career journey?
Considering that most of the things I do are lab related, I think it's fair to say naman na almost everything I know came from my time during undergrad. So, especially yung mga lab skills and techniques. Pero outside the lab naman, I think yung mga useful skills na nag-gain ko is yung how to effectively communicate and work with other people. Lalo na yung mga people from different backgrounds kasi parang may different strategies and ways para hindi sila ma-offend whatsoever.
Okay, so for our next question, how do you exemplify the Lasallian values and virtues in your career?
So, as much as possible, I always try to embody the Lasallian values by making sure that my work is done with integrity and it is done through collaboration and with commitment to excellence. So, as much as possible, then I try to serve the community by producing meaningful and ethical research, which may prove to be useful in the future.
So, with all the things you mentioned in your career, how do you balance your professional and personal life while also maintaining the commitment to service, which is central to the Lasallian mission?
So, as much as possible, I always try to embody the Lasallian values by making sure that my work is done with integrity and it is done through collaboration and with commitment to excellence. So, as much as possible, then I try to serve the community by producing meaningful and ethical research, which may prove to be useful in the future.
How do you stay motivated and continue to grow in your career while keeping the Lasallian values in mind?
One of the main ways na motivate ko yung sarili ko is by telling myself that everything I do, from research pa man yan or medicine, both would allow me to help improve people's lives. And that every hardship I'm experiencing right now would lead to a better future for the community. Kahit na gaano pa ka-tedious or stressful yung mga ginagawa namin, at the end, madami na akong makikinabang.
If you had one thing that you could change about your Lasallian journey, what could it be?
If it's things na pwedeng change for the improvement of my life, I think madami namang pwedeng gawin. Kasi medyo madami akong nagawang katanghan sa buhay ko. Pero at the end of the day, parang wala naman talaga akong gustong baguhin kasi all that mistakes led me to the life that I have right now. So, marami akong hindi makikilala and mas maraming opportunities na hindi makukuha if may nabago man ako doon. So, I think, yun nga, accept things as it is na lang kasi it could be worse.
At what point in your career did you tell yourself that you have to exemplify the Lasallian values?
It's when nung na-realize ko na I have the responsibility of serving others with integrity and excellence. Kasi everything I do, pag nagkamali ka man, parang possible na masira mo yung buhay ng ibang tao or even end it. So, since then, I try to uphold faith, service, and communion in every opportunity na pwede ko siyang magawa.
Which Lasallian value or virtue has stuck with you the most after graduating?
Ang pinaka nag-stay talaga sa akin is yung service talaga. Kasi yun nga, yung mga passion ko talaga is both research and medicine. So, ultimately, yung goal naman ng dalawa is to improve and to serve other people.
And lastly, Sir Franz, as a parting message, could you share any advice that you have for graduating students?
So, my advice for graduating students, generalize ko na lang since most likely different career paths ang mga interest nyo. So, first of all is huwag masyadong seryoso. So, learn to have fun para hindi kayo burnout. And second advice is always try something new. Baka meron kayong talent na hindi nyo pa alam and kailangan lang lumabas. Also, part din yun ng having fun. And yung third one is, if it's for you, dadating naman talaga yan. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi mo kailangan mag-effort. Yun lang.
Thank you to Sir Frank for such wonderful insights on what it is like to be a LaSallian in the workforce. And now, our biggest takeaway from this interview is how LaSallian values are not just taught in the classroom, but lived out in the real world. And through Sir Frank's journey, we saw how the spirit of faith keeps us grounded in our purpose and dedicated to our calling. Zeal for service drives us to use our skills and knowledge to make a meaningful difference for others. And how the communion and mission reminds us that true impact happens when we work together in service for others. And as LaSallians, this experience reminds us that whatever path we take in the future, these core values will always be our compass. And to leave you guys with one quote that sums up the entire presentation is to trust your heart even if the seas catch fire, and live by love even though the stars walk backward. Thank you once again for listening.